So I had these rocks, and the other year I was trying to make like a little pond for them. I had dug a hole and I had put a black bag and I had filled it up with water. But like it takes too long to clean to take everything out. So it's getting hot, and the birds they don't have water. You know, they don't have any water. So I cut this plastic, this detergent uh, pla- uh, uh, container, and I made this. And so now the birds have somewhere to come and refresh themselves. And like I said, I made it out of a plastic container. And it's right here under the higuera where all the birds come. They like this spot. So so there it is. Pretty good, right?